Next, let's do another example, and hopefully in a perfect world, you're finding a place to put all these examples, whether it be in a notebook or maybe some type of makeshift notes packet that you've made out of some printer paper. Whatever you need to do, I would be writing these examples down and have them ready to be able to reference in the future. So now I have a current that's traveling upward, so I put my thumb upward. I pretend like I'm wrapping around some type of material to be the wire. And of course, I'm using my right hand. And so what I see is I'm coming out of the page on the left-hand side of the wire. I'm going into the page on the right-hand side of the wire. So we said out of the page, remember our dots. And the dots, I like to think about an arrow tip. If all I could see was the tip of an arrow coming and pointing at me, all I would see would be a dot. And then on the other side, we're going into the page, which remember are X's. And those X's, as they're going into the page, I kind of pretend like all I can see is the feathers from the arrow. Now let's do 2 more examples, and then I think we're going to be fine for right now. Let's do an example where the wire is just trampling at some type of rando angle like this, and then we'll have the current be traveling to the upper left. So here's my current, and I'm going to take my right hand, of course, and I'm going to wrap it around, and I see I'm going one way and the other way. You should pause this video right now, and you should draw the dots and the X's. Dots representing out of the page, X's representing into the page for this one. Okay, of course you just got done pausing, so now let's show you let me confirm probably what you wrote. So we went into the page above the line, so if we're into the page, we're X's, and we're coming out of the page, so we're dots. This is one of those moments where being left-handed is super advantageous because I can do stuff with my right hand and then write with my left. Now, I got a crazy one for you. Let's say the wire is going in or out of the page. So now, all of a sudden, let's say the wire